Halloween is almost here, and TikTok is getting in on the spooky fun with a range of new AR effects and visual tools to help you create the perfect Halloween look. TikTok's new Halloween effects let you try on different makeup looks, transform yourself into a scary monster, and add spooky decorations to your videos. TikTok is also running a spooky Halloween challenge with AR effects creators. You could win up to $2,500 for creating the best, most original spooky effect. Use these popular Halloween hashtags to join in the spooky fun and get your videos seen by more people. Hashtag Halloween. Hashtag TikTok Halloween. Hashtag Halloween makeup. Hashtag Halloween costume. Hashtag pumpkin season. Brands, don't miss out on the Halloween hype. Nearly 80% of TikTok users say that TikTok inspires them to buy or try new products. Use Halloween hashtags to promote your products and get more sales. Happy Halloween from BizCrown Media. Like and subscribe for more TikTok tips, news, and tricks.